Welcome to WealthWise. In this video, we'll be discussing Business 101, understanding the basics of starting and running a company. Starting a business can be a rewarding and challenging experience, and it's important to have a solid understanding of the basics before diving in. In this video, we'll be covering everything from choosing a business idea and conducting market research, to writing a business plan and financing your business. We'll also discuss legal considerations, marketing and sales strategies, managing finances, hiring and managing employees, and growing and expanding your business. Let's get started. Starting a business involves turning a unique idea into a viable product or service, and then selling it to a target market. It can be a rewarding and challenging experience, and requires a lot of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Before starting a business, it's important to have a clear understanding of your goals, the market you'll be selling to, and the resources you'll need to make it happen. The first step in starting a business is choosing a business idea. It's important to choose an idea that you're passionate about and that meets a need or solves a problem in the market. Some things to consider when choosing a business idea include your skills and interests. What are you good at and what do you enjoy doing? Market demand. Is there a demand for your product or service? Competition. Is there a lot of competition in your market, or is there room for a new player? Before diving into a business idea, it's important to conduct market research to assess the feasibility and potential success of your idea. Market research involves collecting and analyzing data on your target market, competitors, and industry. Some things to consider when conducting market research include demographics. Who is your target market? What are their needs and wants? Competitors. Who are your competitors, and what sets your product or service apart from theirs? Industry trends. What are the current and future trends in your industry? A business plan is a document that outlines the key aspects of your business, including your goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing and sales strategies. It's an important tool for both starting and running a business, as it helps you to clearly define your objectives and stay on track as you work towards achieving them. When writing a business plan, there are several key components to consider. Executive summary. This is a brief overview of your business, including your mission statement, target market, and key objectives. Company description. This section provides more in-depth information about your business, including the products or services you offer, the stage of development your business is in, and your unique value proposition. Market analysis. This section includes a deep dive into your target market, including demographics, market size, and trends. Marketing and sales strategies. This section outlines your plan for reaching your target market and converting them into customers. Operations plan. This section covers the details of how your business will function, including information about your team, facility, and processes. Financial plan. This section includes financial projections, such as projected income and expenses, as well as a financing plan if you need to secure funding. It's important to be as thorough and detailed as possible when writing your business plan, as it will serve as a roadmap for your business as it grows and evolves. Be sure to do your research and consult with advisors and experts as needed to ensure that your plan is comprehensive and accurate. When it comes to starting a business, one of the biggest challenges is often finding the necessary financing. There are a few different options to consider when it comes to financing your business. Bootstrapping. This involves starting and growing your business using only your own personal resources, such as savings or a personal loan. Crowdfunding. This involves raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically through an online platform. Venture capital. This involves seeking investment from venture capitalists, who provide funding in exchange for equity in your company. Bank loans. You can also consider applying for a loan from a bank or other financial institution to finance your business. It's important to carefully consider your options and choose the financing method that makes the most sense for your business. Make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions of any financing agreements before committing to anything. Once you've chosen a business idea and conducted market research, it's important to determine the legal structure of your business. This will determine how your business is taxed and the level of personal liability you have as a business owner. Some common legal structures for businesses include sole proprietorship. This is a business owned by one person, who is personally responsible for all debts and liabilities. Partnership. This is a business owned by two or more people, who share profits and responsibilities. Corporation. This is a separate legal entity from its owners. which means the owners have limited liability for the debts and actions of the business. Limited Liability Company, LLC. This is a hybrid structure that combines elements of a corporation and a partnership. Owners have limited liability, but the business is taxed like a partnership. It's important to consult with a lawyer or accountant when determining the best legal structure for your business. Marketing and sales are essential to the success of any business. Marketing is the process of promoting and selling products or services to a target audience, while sales refers to the actual exchange of money for goods or services. Some strategies to consider when developing a marketing and sales plan include identifying your target audience, who is most likely to purchase your products or services. Developing a marketing plan, how will you reach your target audience and promote your products or services? Setting sales goals, what do you hope to achieve through your sales efforts? Developing a sales plan, how will you reach your sales goals? Tracking and analyzing your results, how effective are your marketing and sales efforts? Effective financial management is crucial to the success of any business. Some strategies to consider when managing your finances include creating a budget. This involves forecasting your income and expenses to plan for the financial needs of your business. Managing cash flow. This involves ensuring that you have enough money coming in to cover your expenses. Tracking your expenses. This involves keeping track of all the money you spend on your business. Pricing your products or services. This involves determining how much to charge for your products or services in order to make a profit. It's important to consult with a financial professional, such as an accountant or financial planner, to help manage your business finances. As your business grows, you may need to hire employees to help with the workload. Some strategies to consider when hiring and managing employees include writing job descriptions. This involves outlining the responsibilities and qualifications for each position you need to fill. Conducting interviews. This involves meeting with potential candidates to determine if they are a good fit for your business. Onboarding new employees. This involves introducing new hires to your business and helping them get acclimated to their new role. Managing employee performance. This involves setting goals and expectations for your employees, as well as providing feedback and support to help them succeed. It's important to create a positive and supportive work environment to retain top talent and keep your employees motivated. Once you've established your business, it's important to continually strive for growth and expansion. Here are some ways to do so. Diversify your products or services. Offering a wider range of products or services can help you reach new customers and increase revenue. Expand into new markets. Research opportunities to sell your products or services in new geographic areas or to new types of customers. Invest in marketing and advertising. Increase your visibility and reach by investing in marketing and advertising efforts. Use data to make informed decisions. Analyze data such as sales and customer feedback to make informed decisions about your business. Consider partnerships or acquisitions. Partnering with another business or acquiring a complementary company can help you grow and expand your reach. Starting and running a business requires hard work and dedication, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. By developing a solid business plan, conducting market research, and seeking out financing and legal guidance, you can set your business up for success. Don't be afraid to seek out help and advice from others, and always keep learning and growing as a business owner. With the right mindset and approach, you can turn your business ideas into a reality. Thank you for watching Business 101, understanding the basics of starting and running a company. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about starting and running a business, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful business tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.